Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA Educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was capitalize. In this program, first I will explain the requirement. After that, I will develop the code according to this requirement. Here, um, the program requirement was you are asked to ensure the first and the last names of the people begin with a capital letter in their passports. For example, Alison Heck should be capitalized correctly as Alison Heck. First letter was capital like this. In Alison, A should be capital and Heck H should be capital. So this is our requirement. What we need to do in this program was we need to ensure that first letter in the name or any string we need to make as capital letter be- before before space and after space it treated as a one string, so that first character we need to make as capital letter. Before going to develop the code, I want to explain how capitalize inbuilt function works in Python. For that I am going to online Python editor and I will show one example to you. First, I will read one string a equal to input of, and coming down I will use the capitalize function sub b equal to I dot a dot capitalize of. So this is the function. I will explain how it works also, and I will print b. I will run this program. So here we need to provide input value. First line we are reading the input, right? So I will provide input as ready and I will click enter button. So our output we are getting as capital R as first letter by using this function. So I will explain the code. Here in this first line we are reading any string. We can read any name or anything that would be in string format. And second line what it was done was we are take while I'm explaining Python programming, uh, in every program I remember one point. Variable concept is very important. Here B is the variable. We are storing this value, whatever value generated in this line. We are storing that value in this variable. So a dot capitalize means here A we are providing Riddhi. You can remember and watch this step repeatedly so that you can understand the important step, and you can able to use this in every program in easy and difficult level programs also. Here A means we are providing dynamically as Riddhi at the time of running. So a dot capitalize of is the built-in Python function. It works as to make first letter as capital. So here A was Riddhi. In the Riddhi first letter, capitalize function makes as capital R. So this is the functionality for this line. This result was stored in the b variable. This b variable I am going to print like this. Only it will be print if you only use the print function, then only it will be print. Otherwise, return also return the value. It only returns in the functions only. You can be able to understand by seeing from easy level programs to difficult level programs. You can understand all these concept, how return works, print function works, and why we need to use variable like this. A also variable. In a variable we are reading, we are storing this value, and b variable we are storing this value. Variable is all about storing values like this. We are using we are learning the concept by program. Coming to this capitalized program, so they In this program, simply asking us to um, convert a small letter in the string to capital letter like this. So I will write the code here. They provided some basic code in the function format, functions concept. Here they already read the string s equal to input of, means if you are as I explained before, in the Python series, in Python series they provide all the things: program requirement, input format, output format, example, sample input, sample output, like that. These all things are very useful for us to develop a code. Here if you see, this is the input which we read in the code. So s equal input of, it means we are reading this thing, and we need to develop our code to get our output as like this. So for that, I will write the code here. First, um, I need to separate uh, watts by separating the space. Then only I am able to um, capitalize for in this first word I will capitalize C as capital, and second line alan A as capital. First I need to separate them by using space as separator. Mm, for that I will write for I in S dot split off. Why I am writing this? S is string which we are read in this input. For I means um, S dot split off means, S means this thing, right? Split, we are using the split function. It means wherever we are getting the space, then it will be split these two words. uh, Here I am providing space, so here we found the space, right? So this thing and this thing was separated. Initially this treated as only one word. Now after I am using space at the split, this would be two words for now. And I will use capitalize function as I explained in the online Python editor. I dot capitalize of. So this works. I means before it would be single word, entire word. Now it would be two words. Chris is one word and Alan is one word. First I dot capitalize of means Chris. It will be converted into capital C, and after that second word also is there. Alan, in Alan also capital A was converted by using this function. And after that, um, I previously explained also, after developing our code, we need to make sure that we should be converted our output as they provided format. So here they provided string format only. Finally, I need to convert this into again string format. So make that as only one word only. Dot join of, I am already explained, right? So how to convert normal words to string, list to string by using dot join of. We can able to convert list of words to string like this. So I will simply return this code, whether it works or not. So here all the test cases are executed. If you see test case 1, test case 2, here they showing only one type of test cases. We are having total 6 type of test cases. We can unlock this by seeing how the predefined test case was. So they give input like this. Our code was works for this type of input also. If the input is like hello world lol, this will be converting like this by using our code. this is about test cases. You can understand the concept. What are these test cases? So they initially fix some type of test cases, like checking our code was working for only this kind of test, this kind of test, whether it works remaining test cases or not. Like that, they are using test cases. So I hope this program and code will understand to all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting. And if any doubts on programming, please let me know in comment section. Thanks everyone.